Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Brazil. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on a site called Coinbase, and thanks to my link, you will receive $10 worth of free of Bitcoin when you're going to register through the link down below in the description. And when you're going to do it, you're going to be here in Coinbase and on Bitcoin. So what you want to do is just click Bitcoin and go on the right side, buy Bitcoin, pay with bank or add a card, like let's say 100 euro, preview buy, and you can purchase Coinbase fee here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Sell, and then you can also withdraw the money. This is how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Brazil. Thank you very much, guys. And you need to also verify your account, upload like ID and stuff, and you're good to go. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.